All right. Good afternoon. Good morning. How are we this new trading week? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Gold has been very sad today, isn't it? What's up, Chris? How you doing? How's your trades doing? I saw you got some good trades going. Let's pop that chat out. Lovely. Yeah, man. How's the markets been treating you today? Go. All right. I had everything marked up. I don't know why it's gone. Maybe I didn't save it. All right. So today on gold. Now, gold is currently it's pushing up from a daily support right here. What's happening, Benny? I'm doing good. The AU trade is moving well. Nice. Alright, so do a quick analysis on gold. Asian session opened pretty much straight down, dropped right to this daily support, dropped below 4,500, and we've been pushing up since. So 4 hour is holding on this support as well, and we're just pushing. I'm looking for some structure now to see if gold is going to retrace, and keep pushing up, retrace some of this drop, or if we push, create a lower high, a resistance, and then sell back down. But if I believe gold is going to continue bearish, at least, from today, I need to see it close below this. Close below 45.20. 45.20. But at the moment, gold has just been, it's just been ranging. It's just been ranging. So I'm going to take it easy on gold. I'm not going to rush into anything. I'm just going to let the markets come to me, see what's good. Well, we have a lot of wicks here that we failed to clear at the moment. So I'm just going to wait. Another London session consolidation. Oh, big time. Let's take a look at pound yen. So pound yen is pushing up. So GJ is broken above this broken above Friday's high, respected the low. So maybe we get a bit of a retracement here. I did see some yen news as well that I need to find. But at the moment, we're just making higher lows. Keep an eye on GJ. But pound yen is not very clear. It's not very clear. As long as we stay above 210, we still have bullish structure, but we could come back down and retest this area. If we break below, then I think we'd be transitioning to a downtrend on GJ. And NAS, man, look at NAS. NAS is not looking too hot either. It's not been a nice start to Monday. Start to the week. Not a nice start. Price action wise, apart from this drop, if you caught this move down at Asian session, this was a nice drop. It was a nice drop. It dropped very quickly. Now this could be the lowest point of the week. Gold has been doing that. It did that the last time. It dropped into the 4,500s. Last time it tapped 4,500 actually was the low of that week. Yeah, last week. Was that last week or 2 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, it was the low of the week. So I wonder if we get something that happens like that again. But we have no news today. No news. Thankfully. Quiet day. Quiet day for USD, in fact. Quiet week, sorry, for USD, which is great. Look, Japan news. Yen news. Watch the market moves and turn long-term rates with a high sense of urgency. Japan long-term bond yields hit record highs with fiscal concerns. It's like the yen is getting a bit weaker, that's why we're pushing up. Looks so. But how's everyone's week been? Everyone had a good weekend? Good London session? Quiet London session, busy weekend, nice. The sun was out. Sun was out. Sun was out. To 1 ETH. Man, let's get out of this range. Get out of this consolidation. That's where we need some other pairs to trade. Oh, is that a closure above £1 yen? No, it's not. It's close though. Close. This 4 hour does look like it's gonna flip and drive. Well, it's flipped. It does look like it's gonna push up. What do you reckon? Last hour, pound yen. We get a good push. It looks good to buy up. Rosie, how are you? How are you? You're already in GJ buys? Oh, lovely, lovely. Where did you get in? Where did you get in? To 12.30. All right, down around here. Around here, I guess. Nice, nice. We got 50 pips, 20 pips right now. Good job. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Nice catch. Nice catch. Nice catch. I need one of these markets to move. Gold is looking terrible. Looks like a little inverse head and shoulders here on NAS. Wait for aftermarket open though. Gotta wait for aftermarket open to catch the volume, I think. See if we can get a breakout. Can we get a push? Gold is very disappointing. I'm gonna set an alert right here. Set an alert. Keep an eye on that when price comes back down. Inverted head and shoulders on gold. 1 hour. Like I can kind of see it, but where's the neckline? Where's the neckline? Like, yeah, the neckline like that? Is it a slanted neckline? You know, there's a whole tool that we can draw it. Oh, it's not the one. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how much it's a bit tight, isn't it? Come up here. It's a bit weird. I mean, yeah, I don't know. It's a bit off key. It's a very weird looking head and shoulders, but hey, if price manages to push up, then we're out of here. We need to clear this area. We need to clear these wicks. We can clear these wicks. Clear these wicks right here. So 51.70. We can clear that area. Good. It'll be breaking all those 4-hour highs. Do we continue up? I hope you get a decent Monday. A decent start to the week. Lift, walk one. Walk one. You good? You good? You good? What you got your eye on today? I'm just waiting for gold to wake up. The sells down were nice, but the buys up have been so slow. So slow. You're waiting a setup on gold. Gold sells. Okay, okay. Okay. Does look like it's struggling to push up. It is struggling. As I'm scoping up sells, but I'm on the fence. Oh, Naz, yeah, Naz is looking a bit. It's not looking great. It's not looking great. Got earnings this week as well, I believe. I believe we have some good earnings. Have a look. Today is May. Got Nvidia on Wednesday. We're gonna see Naz move on Wednesday, that's for sure. So Nvidia on Wednesday. We got Salesforce. Oh, that's next week. Okay, so just Nvidia on Wednesday. Yeah, that's gonna be we're gonna see Naz shake, I think. But they usually have their earnings after hours. Usually after hours. So it'll be interesting to see how that happens. No news today. Quiet day. We have no news this week, really. We don't really have much news this week. Only thing we do have is FOMC meeting minutes. And all they do is talk about what happened during the last FOMC. So I don't feel like this is going to be crazy high impact. And then we have manufacturing PMIs on Thursday, but that's been downgraded to orange folder too. That 245 news. So it was a pretty quiet week. Pretty quiet week. So it's either it's going to be some war news, depending on what Trump says, depending on this war. But look, it's good. They're focusing on ending the war. That's good. That's good. That's very bullish for gold. Finally. Hey, Dr. John, how are you? Yeah, I think we get some. I hope this week isn't just all consolidation. I hope not. It's nice. some other stuff. Look, GJ's pushing up nicely. What's your TP, Rosie? $213. Okay. Okay. Nice little move. What's that? 70 pips? 70 pipper? Nice. Yeah, it looks like it's heading up there. John, what are you looking at today? Me, I think I'm going to have to wait for the market to set up for me today for the rest of the week. I think so. See what Monday does. Aila, happy fresh week. Enjoy your coffee. Yeah, man. I had a nice bowl of Greek yogurt, honey, and blueberries. Some brain food. Need some brain food. That was good. That was very good. Very good. Aisha. Oh man, what's everyone looking at today? What's everyone looking at? This was a really nice engulfing down here in gold. Right here. Nice engulfing off this daily and 4-hour level. Real good for the buyers back up. Fortunately, I'm not up at 3 in the morning. But I think we had a lot of people in the Discord looking at gold, like gold trade ideas. Gold is not looking good. Gold is looking horrible. Gold is looking horrible. Listen, don't force anything. If you don't see anything, don't force anything. Let the market set up and get you, you know what I mean? Wait until you see something that looks familiar, that looks good, that looks clean. If not, don't even bother. Carl had the right idea. A drop, then a bounce up. So did Ali. I think Ali expected a bit more of a, not as much a not a big drop. I think the overall theme is everyone's expecting the sells and then the buys up. But yeah, the buys are just taking their time. Me, I tried to trade with the daily time frame. So if the daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish, I'm trying to look at buys. If I get into a trade and 4 hours bullish and the daily will probably flip daily 4 hours bearish, but the daily's bullish. If it starts to flip, if I can get the daily to flip bearish, then I'll start looking at the sells. Do you know what I mean? Selling into that bias. So we're very far from Friday's high. So do I think we're gonna push up and break that high? Maybe not. If we get a closure below this support, daily support, I can see some deeper sells throughout the rest of the week. So this range is awful. This is not a nice range. It's not. But just like last week, the longer the consolidation, the bigger the breakout. Right? I have position for buys on NAS, waiting for it to tap into my key level. Oh yeah, where's your... I was thinking buys on NAS using supply and demand. Like if this is... Like breakout structure is more up here, but I mean you could use down here. Little breakout structure, come back, retest, and then push. That's what I'll be looking at. Carl, what's happening, Carl? You good? How's your morning been? This London session has been poopy. Look at GJ. GJ's moving nice. Very nice. Ash, good morning, good morning, good morning. And good afternoon. So you caught a banger last night. I was just going through the Discord. So you caught a nice move. Real nice move. Oh yeah. You got out at the right time too. You got out at the exact right time. Because price jumped right back up. Yeah, man. Good start, very good start to the week. May it continue like that. The worst thing is like starting the week with like a big loss, and then the rest of the week is just recovery. Is long. It's so long. Got stopped out in the Euro USD this morning, but a small loss. Are all good. Okay. Let's see Euro USD. Let's see. Were you looking for sells? Are you looking for sells? Why am I on the 3 minute? XAUUSD. Oh man. So yeah, what were you guys thinking about gold today? Evan, how are you, Evan? Oh, Des Tech. What's up, Des? What's up? Hold on, I'm missing messages here. Hold on. Let me make this a bit bigger. There we go. Can see a bit more now. Let's see how gold shapes out today. Yeah, gold is very conflicting. Like there's a lot of things that are leaning towards. There's a lot of things I can say that I can see sells happening. Like we broke Friday's low, broke the weekly low. Do you know what I mean? I could see that we didn't have much of a top wick though for the weekly and the daily. So is that what price is doing now? Just making a top wick to come back down. We can't break these, like these wicks to the left, these 4-hour wicks. We're just hovering in this consolidation area on the lower time frames. No, it was actually a buy. Okay. I'm good, thank you, Mickey. How are you? I am blessed. I'm waiting for it to start printing clean structures. Okay. Okay. Yeah, gold is just not looking great. It's not looking great. I just need to wait and see how this day closes up. But, you know, sometimes when we don't have news, we get the consolidation. We get just a big range. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Hopefully gold gives us a little something. These GJ buys are doing well. I was just thinking that. GJ buys are looking real nice. Well done. They are for sure. Yeah, gold is actually chilling right here. Oh, you had your demand zone a bit too high. looking at this as the breakout structure. The demand zone would have been right. You wouldn't have been entered in, especially with price closing back in. Also, I don't really like demand zones when I've got a wick like far below it. Guzman, how are you? How are you? You said auntie. How old do you think I am? Damn, I'm an auntie already? She. I expect gold to climb to 46.90 and sell below 46.30. 46.30 or 45.30? Which one? Which one? I just realized what I've done. See it, some live feedback right there. I don't even have any good, like, really good levels that I like on gold right now. Because of this price action. This support, it's like a 1 hour support here. It happens, it happens, it happens. It happens. You know, it's kind of a new strategy. These little things will happen. Where was your neckline? I know Benny was saying maybe an inverted head and shoulders. With this neckline here, would this mean that this is the neckline being broken? This is very tight though. It's very tight. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. So So we wait. We just wait. We wait. First, we see how this 4-hour candle closes. Let's see how this 4-hour closes. 26 minutes. If we can get a good push before this candle closes, maybe the next candle continues up. If we get a very weak candle body, respect this high, I think maybe we start to sell back down. But it's gonna be based on what these 4-hour candles start doing and how they close. Nice, GJ. Nice. GJ trade looks real good, Rosie. What's that? You're up, what, 30 pips? 30 pips now? Pippers. Yep. Pushing. Now we have a confirmed closure above on pound yen. It's gone. Alright, GJ. GJ looking like the cleanest pair out here. Wow. Really happy the AUD USD is really moving. Let's take a look. Right, let me not do it on my gold chart. USD. It is moving, isn't it? It is. It's moving well. This looks more like an inverted head and shoulders than gold does. You know what I'm saying? Got left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Yeah. This would be the neckline right here, I think. Yeah. Breaking the neckline. Yeah, this looks good to definitely go up some more. What's that? Damn, this is only 34 pips. This is only 34 pips. Oh my goodness. Man. I entered from the very bottom. Yeah, I saw. I was looking at your Discord entry. You had a real nice entry. Man, like... Look at me, only 34 pips. Like I didn't used to trade and aim for 10 pips. 10, 20 pips used to be... 20 pip trades used to be nice. It's funny. Finally moving. Come on. Strong 4-hour candle closure. Let's push. Break these candles to the left. Break these wicks. My only problem I have is self-doubt. Why? Why do you have self-doubt? You have many ideas. You have many ideas. Do you journal? Do you track your trades? Confidence comes from having the data behind you. So having taken X amount of trades and knowing where your edge is, what works for you, and then having proof to look back and say, you know, when I do this, this, and this, I can catch a really good move. Yeah, if you track all your trades and really analyze what went well, maybe what didn't go well, I think you can build your confidence that way. All comes from tracking yourself, analyzing your trades, and not just saying this is a winning trade, well done, pat on the back. Like, what did you do in that trade that's repeatable, that followed your analysis, your plan? Of it. Are we gonna get the breakout to the upside, guys? We're gonna hold below 45.66. Come back down. I've started tracking all my trades. I keep a screenshot of every single trade and make sure I review it after it's played out or not. Good, good, good. That's how you do it, man. That's how you do it. Nice little push. Bear Mike, good morning. What's your plan today? My plan right now is buys if this 4 hour can keep pushing. Maybe even if we can close above 45.66, 45.70. Looking for more buys up. If not, I need a really good setup for the sells. So maybe if the next 4 hour doesn't break this current 4 hour high, then maybe we push back down towards this 4 hour support and daily support, something like that. I'm just looking for structure. I'm looking for at least a 4 hour to start creating some type of structure for me, to confirm structure. Because at the moment we have a drop from here. We have a drop. We have a drop. We have a resistance. We have a support. But that's it. So if price is going to continue up, price is going to pull back, I need to see it start to create a resistance to come back down. Really, if I think the 4 hour is going to continue up, I need to see structure, bullish structure on the 4 hour too, which that's going to take a couple 4 hour candles. The AU setup followed all three confluences that I look for before I enter a trade: structure, liquidity, and point of interest. Nice, nice, nice. I'm a new subscriber. I'm gonna follow you. Thank you. Appreciate the follow, man. Appreciate it. I appreciate all follows. Appreciate you jumping on the lives and keeping me company. That's what you guys really do. You think I'm here for you guys? You guys are here to keep me company, and I appreciate it. Trading is so lonely if you do it by yourself. Oh my goodness. It's a very lonely Lonely job if you don't have people to talk to. All right, we're moving. This is good. We had the 1 hour resistance here. That's why I said 45.70, that 1 hour level. Let's see what we do. It is true. It's a lonely profession. I'm happy to find someone to do the same job. Yeah, man. That's it. Do you trade? What sessions do you trade? Do you trade just NY or do you trade NY and Asian? You said you're in Canada, right? Did I make that up? I feel like you're from Canada. Remind me how bad my memory is. All good. I thought it was Canada. Benny, you might be right about this inverted head and shoulders. You might be right. But it is not at all combining trading with reading computer science at university. You are in Canada, yes. I trade NY and Asia sometimes. All right, cool. You should join the Discord. Join the Discord if you trade Asian session. I don't think we have many people that trade Asian session in there. And what pairs do you trade? Is it just gold or what else? Or you trade a few? I don't know how you're keeping up with all that stuff, Chris. Computer science and trading? Wow. One of my good friends did computer science, and I remember looking at his I remember going to his house. There's like a bunch of us at his house, and he had some books on the table. I remember looking at his notebook, and I said, nope. Put that book right back down. That shit looked confusing. No thank. He's actually living in LA now. Gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD Mexican pesos. You're Mexican. Wow. Do you actually find, I guess if you're Mexican, you pay attention to what's going on with that currency. Do you feel like that helps? I think that's why I was more drawn to pound yen, because I'm in the UK. It kind of made sense. I knew what was going on here, so I could trade it. I feel like whatever country you're from, you're most likely going to be looking at what's going on with that currency a bit. You know what I mean? Damn. Nas didn't want to come back to let me in. That's crazy work right there. DJ maybe coming back for the retest before it continues up. DXY coming down. All right, 10 minutes. Well, just under 11 minutes for this 4 hours to close, and gold is pushing. In this moment, I have 2 positions in gold, 44.97 and the other 45.51. Wow. Nice. Nice. Oh, you caught like the low lows. Lovely, lovely. What's your TP? What's your TP? I make sure to do my pre-market analysis, mark all my levels after, then I start revising my notes and the rest. I sometimes even get exhausted. I can imagine. It's a lot of work. And you trade a lot of pairs as well. And on the weekends, like, when do you take a break? When do you take a break? My weekends, yeah, apart from like certain meetings that I have, I try to keep. I do a bit of back testing, but it's trading cannot be my whole week. You know what I mean? Like, if I do back testing, it's quite early in the day. I wake up, you know, before lunchtime, before 12, get a bit of back testing in, and then I don't even want to look at the charts. I don't even want to look. You know, the weekend for me is like a reset, freshen the mind, start again. Let's see if we get that closure above. To take breaks on weekends, and on weekends too I have cybersecurity lectures. Oh my god. Yeah, you need some more time. There's a lot going on there. 4600's my first TP. Nice, but I'm looking DXY correction to expect more. Yeah, DXY looks like it's coming back. Does indeed. Oh my gosh, gold, no. Don't stop here. Don't drop too much gold. This 4 hours kind of broken the high and the low, but I like the way it's looking right now for more buys. I would like to see it close above this resistance. I would like to see it close above, just to give more of a confirmation that price is going up. My pending orders are moving in my direction, but I decided to take only one. How comes? Why do you only take one? I don't want to overtrade. Oh, you did say that. So what's your target trades for the day? How many trades do you want to take? Or how many trades do you think you should take per day? I kind of limit how much trades I take per session, because I think if I'm taking too many trades in one session, I would consider that over trading. But over the day, like if I take one trade, I could take, and it depends on the pair as well, actually. It depends on the pair. Depends, because I could find the move in on gold, and then maybe in the evening find another move on NAS, and I wouldn't consider that like over trading if the opportunity is there. But I probably wouldn't take a buy. I won't take a trade on gold, then probably then look for another trade on gold. I would leave that pair at least. I'll take one. My first position was in Asia yesterday, my second in NY, and I'm waiting for maybe one more. Okay, so you stack your positions across different sessions. Okay. Yeah, if I take a London session trade, I'm probably out before I get to NY. I rarely have trades that carry on. I don't really like the prior session to influence my bias. Do you know what I mean? I think if I'm in a buy holding it, it would be hard for me to, you know, switch bias. Oh, and Goldie push. Ali, what's happening, Ali? Ali, what's up? How are your trades playing out? Did you enter in any of them? I saw you had a few. Name is Mickey, yes. My name is actually after the name Michael. Like you, Mike. I don't trade today. Okay, okay. How comes? This 4 hours looking good. Four-hour candle has volume. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yes. All right, got the closure above. Got the nice closure above. Did it close above this? It did, just about. Not much of a bottom wick. We can give me a bit more of a bottom wick. That would be great. Maybe even a retest, and then come back up and flip. That would be great. But if it pushes first without much of a bottom wick, I think we come back down a bit more. So let's see what this candle does. Oof, oof. It's already broken that high. This 30-minute candle doesn't have bottom wick. What do you say? Yeah, it's there, but it's very tiny. And also it's a 4-hour candle too, new 4-hour candle. This candle needs to have more of a bottom wick. So I'm gonna have to wait. Before I do anything, I'm gonna have to wait for price to come down and see what this bottom wick does. So I mean, it could do a couple things. It could come down, retest, hold, and then push back up, or we could just drive back into the range and sell. First I want to see how it reacts to this resistance if it comes this far down, but as a new 4-hour candle, I'm expecting it to have a decent bottom wick. Now just gotta wait. This would have been a nice breakout, but we need that bottom wick first. Cause you see how we drove up, came down, pushed. There we go. There we go. Alright, how far down we gonna push? Maybe we flip bullish and then drive up now. We've got a decent bottom wick. We've reacted to this resistance. Let's see. To be fair, this previous 30-minute doesn't have much of a bottom wick. It's there, but it's very small. Ash, we said it at the same time. Price going to give prior M30 a wick. Yeah. Yeah. Very small, very small. So we could come back down here. There is a wick. There is, but it's very small. It's a very small wick. So, you know, if we sell, maybe even retest down here, or just come drive down a bit and then push up. Or this could be the start of a 4-hour resistance. Just gotta wait and see now, right? That's what you do. You start looking for if you're looking for sells, you start looking, where's it going to sell to? What could make gold sell? At the same time, what do we see here on this 4 hour? We see that this 4 hour candle barely has a top wick. It's a lot going on right now. It's a lot going on. You're obsessed to make it big from trading, so each day and every day I feel like I'm not doing enough. I hear you. Just make sure that whatever you're doing, the time that you're taking, it's for a reason. It's you're spending your time wisely. There's only so much you can look at the charts. There's only so much. Sweet Licks, sorry, good morning. I'm considering sells. I was actually considering sells. That is a wild name, by the way. But yeah, I was thinking about sells. I'm thinking about buys mainly because of how this 4 hour closed above this resistance, and we broke these previous 4 hour candle highs. But we didn't have a bottom wick on this 4 hour, so I'm expecting that to happen first, and then if we create some uptrend structure, or just some uptrend structure on the lower time frame, I still think we can push up. Nas left me. Nas absolutely left me. I wanted Nas to come back down here, give me a retest, and then push up, but that didn't happen. So in fact, we broke this high here, so I guess we have a higher demand zone. And I just drag this. I can look at that. Pow. Yeah, let's see if we come back, pull back. Me too, currently in sells. Oh, where'd you get into some sells? Are you talking about on gold? Where'd you get in? Where'd you get in at? I threw a fib on this 4 hour bear movement down. It looks like H4 stopped in the 23.6. If price gets back to the range and plays, we might get a daily continuation pattern. It's still early though, just my thoughts. Okay. Oh, you're in Nas sells. Oh no. 28.94, 28.9, 28.952. Wait, what? No way. You're in Nas sells or buys? Wait. Are you sure that's the price? 28.952 down here? Confirm for me. If so, man, oof. Sells from last night. Oh man. Where's your stop loss at? Oh, where's your stop loss at? You're not still in this trade. No, you said you're currently in sales. You must be a swing trader, because ain't no way. Gold coming back down a bit. Hey, I ain't stressed about no one else's money. I'll tell you that much. I ain't stressed about no one's money. Damn. But oof. I'm just trying to see what they see. What's up, Alexis? What's good? What's good? That's yeah, it's a lot of a drawdown right there. Scary amount of drawdown. I'm considering buys at the fair value gap below the wickless candle 30 minutes. Okay. Request still. I would like to think gold is gonna push up because it's from a daily support. It's from a 4-hour support. You know, that's been retested. That's held. I'm not opposed to a pullback. You know, maybe it's just the bottom wick to then continue up. Oh, so your TP is 28690. You trading with a negative risk reward? This is like 300 pips. Is it 1-to-1? Oh man, it's looking a bit. Oof. Do you have a stop loss? Please tell me you have a stop loss. It feels like you don't have a stop loss. I'll be honest with you. You're in the Discord. What's in the access? Access to what? Yeah, you're in the general chat. Nothing goes on in there. Go to get out of there, Mike. Get out of there. Nothing's going on in there. You can talk in the trading channels. So you can talk in a general chat, Asian session. It's the best thing to do is to talk in the sessions that we're in at the moment. That way it's easier to follow like what everyone's doing and there's a timeline. So yeah, post in the Asian session, London session, New York session. Post your strategies in the strategies. It's probably better if you just do that. But if you're gonna post in the strategies, explain your strategy. Don't just post like charts, trade ideas. Put that in the sessions for what session that's for. So then things will just get lost. You know? But yeah, I don't really use those voice channels. All right, is that the bottom wick? Is that the bottom wick, or are we coming down some more? Gold does like to pull back like 40, 50 pips. Like it's nothing. You can write in the general chat. You're in the general voice channel. Go to the general text channel. I just tagged you. Or you can send. There you go. If gold closes back below this resistance, is that a fake out? Is it a potential fake out? Put some sells. Very curious to see how this 30-minute candle is going to close. One sec. See, how's your trade doing? Oh, GJ. I fuck with GJ, but this is slow. My goodness. There you go. These freaking engulfing candles. You talking about on what are you talking about? You talking about Nas, or must be Nas? Everything's just ranging at the moment. Bit sideways. 1 hour and a 4 hour on Nas. Big candles, man. Big candles. I would love for Nas to pull back some though. I want it to pull back to then get into some buys again. While we wait for gold to do something. Gold is at the bottom of the trading zone. One explanation I have, that it's in the lower trading range between 45.60, 45.85. Oh, I read very quickly. Hmm. 30-minute continuation pattern. Maybe 48.25. Okay, 48.25 and 40. Wait, that's a big it's a big range right there. $48.25. What's the 8 near? Or 45.25. Alright, is this where we flip and push? Let's have a look. So we made a nice long bottom wick. Five minutes. I'm thinking about it. 130 pip stop. Can snatch some pips up out of here. This is what I'm thinking. I don't want to put it in yet. Let me not put it in yet. Let me not put it in just yet. But let me show you. Let me show you what I'm thinking. In fact, I'm thinking if we break there, then maybe we get a little push. How far is that? So maybe break even at 70 pips. See if it pushes all the way. Break even would be at this little minor level to the left. That's about 70 pips from, is that 70 pips? 60? Yeah, about that. This is what I'm thinking. If it re-breaks the high, we get a good push. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. Market open. See if market open gives us that drive up. See, it needs to re-break this high. What's my price for now? It's quite deep. It's quite a drop. I don't know if it drops all the way back down here. Oh, shoot. Well, push. It did pop, didn't it? It did have a little pop. Go on, keep popping. Keep popping. I think this 4 hour, you know how this 4 hour can probably pushes up a bit more too. Well, we'll see. Oh shoot, C Trader just had a crazy update. Don't lie. Don't lie. I'll take the risk with you. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. I go full margin though. So if you're with me, you gotta go full margin. I'm joking. I'm joking. I slightly missed my entry though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not in yet. Because it popped and it pushed above. I'm telling you. I'm about to get in though. About to get in. Alright, fuck it. I'm in. This is struggling to push though, man. So what was that? That's 1. So I can do TP1 and then TP2. What? Oh, that's cold. But how do I change how big TP2 is? Oh, C-Trader's doing some new things over here. C-Trader's doing some new things. If price comes back here, price comes here, I'm closing some. I'm chopping. Yeah. Not yet. Market open. Ding, 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 ding. Why does my thing look different? Oh, that's the 1 hour. Which pair are you trading? Gold. Is this trading gold, man? Gold at the moment. Ooh, look at Nas. I do want Nas to come down. Let's come down a little bit for me. Come down. Give me an entry. Nas moves so quick. You gotta keep your eye on it, man. You gotta keep your eye on it. Go, give me a little push. Just a little push. Actually missed. Oh wait, where am I closing 50%? What price is that? 67. If gold comes back to 67, I'm gonna close some. I've got a 30-minute continuation on my chart. Let me see. My C trader though, if I look at the 30-minute, my C trader's actually got a red candle here. That's looking good. Fingers crossed to take out London lows, hopefully. London lows. You want it to come all the way down? Where's London lows for you? Where's that? Where's that? What price is that? Price is that? So I can check it out. I don't really pay attention to London lows because, like I said, because we're in the London session for me right now. So it's like with Asian session, I can say this is Asian lows because that session's closed. But I feel like we're still in London session, so I can't really call it the lows just yet. Nope, that's it. We're in some profits. 5 pips. With 5 pips up. We can break this high. Hopefully we get a nice little push. And then I'm gonna close some up here. Like this little resistance. Give me a little push. Give me a little push. Give me a little push. That's right. That's right. That's right. Ooh. Let's go. What's that? 35 pips? No. Go up. Where you going? Let's go. Let's go. So close. Where's Rosie? Rosie! Hold the market maker, girl. Hold the market maker. Go 4,600, please, gold. Yes, that's right. Come on. Let's go. You want 4,600 for Mike? Come on, Goldie. Push. Push. Enoch, what's happening? This is a struggle, man. There we go. There we go. Oh, so close. And then it drops. Hey. Oh, no. Oh, God. Almost tapped 50, 45, 82. I know, so close. So close. So close. It's treacherous right now. Treacherous. That's right. If everyone tells it, everyone asks nicely for gold to move, gold will move. Come on, gold. Just a little push. Just a little 50 pips. Let's give us 50 pips. My entry is actually 75.05. 75.05. Oh my lord. But you know what? If gold comes back down and breaks this low here, if it breaks its own low, I think I might jump ship. I might jump ship. I don't really want it to break its own low. I don't like that. Am I jumping ship? Where did it get to? It got to 50. Did it get to 50 pips? I actually did just get to 50 pips. I got to 50.5 pips. Choose. Maybe gold's waiting for the last 5-10 minutes of this candle. You know how gold does, like right towards the end of this hour close, that's when it gives us like a good 100 pips. This price, what did I say? 67. Damn. What did we get to? We got to 30, what did I say? 50, 55 pips. Let me pay attention. You could look down for 2 seconds and gold is just gone. I wonder if I can have multiple stop losses then. If I can do multiple TPs. Nope, that doesn't work. What was I gonna do? Do something. Shoot. Boom, back to 73, then to 74, then to 75. Oh shoot, it's doing it. Nice. Let's go. Go on, 76, then to 76. That's it, go. Just one more push. Oh man, trading is so amusing. So amusing. Oh, okay, this isn't funny. This right here is not funny. This is really jerking, man. Let's see, I want to see this 4 hour. It's a huge 4 hour candle. Huge 4 hour candle. Gold loves games, right? Gold really does love games. It needs to love the buy-in games. That's what it needs to love. Play upwards. Has potential to. To keep an eye on gold, I need to lock in. Wait, hold on. What was the price I was looking? I'll hear the retest anyway. The bleep. My alert will go off. What time frame is your TP based on? My TP at the moment is based off the 30-minute right now. Because if I use the 4-hour, it brings gold all the way up to 47.05. Like, you know, I like 4-hour zone to zone, but I mean, I don't see gold retracing this whole 4-hour move all the way up. I don't see it pushing all the way up. So I'm gonna look at the next key level, the next on the lower time frames, this lower time frame resistance right here. But I'm gonna close partials at this first little level here. Like this here. If price can get here, I like it. I like it. But this is a struggle. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not feeling this. I'm not feeling the way it's struggling to push. It shouldn't be so. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. Last 10 minutes we move. Last 10 minutes we move. Oof. We might be out before then. Dang, gold, I wanted 45.50. Give me her buys, then come down. Oh shoot, Naz is going off. Oh, do you know what? I've closed 50%. Close 50% with the trading keys, with the magic keys. Dude, is Naz still falling? What's that? 50, 80 pips at 50%. If Naz is tanking, gold is coming next. You know how that goes. You know how that goes. They kind of move similar. That's a shame. Got to 55 pips. About 55 pips. Something like that. Okay, so this is no longer valid. This move right here, selling through. Oh, now, oh hell yeah, you wanted it to come back down. I don't know about Naz. I don't know. I kind of want Naz to oh shoot. Gold is playing all the games right now. Gold is playing. Oh, let me lock in. Let me keep an eye on this shit right here. Oh, if it re-breaks the high, I might add that position back. I might add that 50% back. Go on, re-break. This is playing though, man. Naz is falling. This is dropping. That's never good for gold. Don't like to be super biased, but you know, it's a thing. It's a whole thing. As it's gone. That's no longer valid. I wonder if it's gonna come back to my old demand zone down here. Draw it back. I just want to see what it does. Let's see what it does. $15 minutes. It closed on the resistance, but it's breaking the lows. Naz is definitely coming back. Definitely coming back. Was I being greedy, trying to hold out for 70 pips instead of 50? Yeah, that name tag is wild. I can't keep saying it. It sounds crazy. I'll call you SL. And then the lips in the picture too. Yeah, it's wild. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? That's going to 2892. If gold sells, I would like 45.50 top of Asian range. Yeah, for the sells, I do want it to come down and create a longer bottom wick right here. I would expect gold to come down and just maybe sweep these lows and then push up, but because it closed above this resistance twice, that's why I was thinking we're just gonna push, but it's struggling. It's struggling. The mad thing is these 30-minute candles, they're respecting lows and they're breaking highs, so it is looking more bullish, but it's struggling. It's struggling. I don't need much. I just need like 50-60 pips. I'm good. It just tapped 50 pips and then dropped, but I wanted a little bit higher up. Are we back in profits again? Just about. Just about. Damn, this is crazy. This is it. Gold is time to fly right now. Sell it. Now we push, right? Come on, gold. Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. This is where we go. This is where we go. How's Nas doing? How's Nas? Ooh. I mean, yeah, we still got time. It's the 5-minute time frame. That ain't really nothing. That ain't really nothing. Got time. We got time. I do hope. I'm still kind of bullish on Nas though. You know, that's my thing. But I don't want to trade against anyone. I feel bad doing that. Oh, gold. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Buy me some lunch. Buy me some lunch, Goldie. feel bad trading against folks. Like, you know, when people are in like I want Nas to go up. I know someone's in sales, so I feel bad like saying, yeah, go back up when it means someone losing. I just feel bad, you know. I'm not in a trade, so I'm not. That's all good. But yeah, my analysis was kind of leaning more towards Nas buying. I can't believe gold has hovered around this area for so long. Is that a 5-minute engulfing right there? Is that it? Are we up? It's taking out London lows first. Okay. Where's London lows? Sweetie. Can I call you something else other than Sweet Licks? Give me permission to call you something else. I would appreciate that. Please and thanks. Please and thanks. Oh, are we back? Are we back? Are we up? Damn, it was up like 35 pips. This is it, guys. Last 10 minutes, we push. Last 10 minutes, this is it. Gold fly. Yes, Bear Mike. Yes. Let's go, let's go. It's so sad. Oh, there's a 4-hour candle near 46.06. That barely has a top wick. Yep. I did say that right before. Oh. It's a 4-hour candle too, so I can see price coming up there. In this moment, DXY is filling the gap. Oof, look at Nas. I'm not gonna lie. This is good for gold. This is good for our gold trade that Nas is going up. Honestly. Come on, Nas. I mean gold. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I need gold to push above this level just so I could break even. Just so I could be at break even if I close full. Because I closed at 50% at 80 pips. At 80 pips. So I need to close at least 80 pips, you know? Or I need a decent runner just to be at break even. Go on, gold. Might actually be a break even if it can just get to 45.82. 4600. I don't know. I can't hold to that long. I can't hold. I would love to be able to. I don't think I can. I don't think I can. One thing I'm thinking as well, like, yeah, my entry is too high up for me to be able to hold that long. And I'm anticipating this new hour candle makes a decent bottom wick as well. So it's surviving that wick too. $50 pips up though, right now. 50 pips. Let's go. 60 pips. Ooh, is that 70? That's 70 pips. Alright, just hit 80 for me. Hit 80. Oh, 80. 90. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Oh, go back, go back, go back. Perfect, perfect. Alright, I'm leaving a runner here now. I'm leaving a runner here. I'm leaving a runner. And that's it. Whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens, happens. Last 5 minutes. I'm telling you, man, the last 5 to 10 minutes of this candle goes crazy. It goes off. Every time. Every time. Each and every time. Go on. Give us a last little push now. Last little push. Take us well over the line. Well over the line. I didn't even post a trade from last week, actually. The trade from Friday. Let me do that today. I just remembered. Just remembered. Today's trade. Oh man. Go on, 5-minute candle. Push. Just a little push. Down. That is a big move, big drop, then push back up. Typical Nas. Typical. Can I change that? I wonder if I can. Oh, I can. Oh, that's hard. Your C Trader just got even better, I swear. Oh my god. Maybe it's holding at this resistance, you know? Oh, the last 5 minutes you came back down. Boo. Feel the wick. That was a nice move, though. It was a nice move. Real nice move. Tried to stress us out. Made us wait for it. Well done to everyone who was in a trade, caught the trade, closed some pips. Well done, man. Well done. It's a bit tough when you've got zones that are very close together. Like that's kind of how I look at gold right now. It's how I'm looking at it right now. Even though we closed above this 1 hour resistance here, obviously we still have this long top wick. But for me, this is like This is the first zone here. The first zone. Oh, that's it. Hit break even there. And then this is the second zone. So I kind of want gold to... I'm playing the zones and just very mindful of where the market is. I think that I see market H4 will get some retracement. Oh yeah, 100%. That's why I wanted to be out before this candle opens, because I knew it was going to come and make a bottom wick. It's going to make a bottom wick there. But well done, well done. Move that across. Need to make this a different color, I think. Look, we have no top wick on this candle at the moment. So we're gonna come up and make a top wick. If we respect this high, then I think we start to get some decent, like a good pullback. A good pullback. This is a very strong 4-hour candle. Very strong 4-hour candle. Oh, look. GJ had the break and retest. Nice, Rosie, you still in? Now it's coming back down. Lovely, lovely. Alright, I think I am done for this session. I'm gonna keep an eye on gold though. I'm gonna keep an eye on Goldie. Let's see what gold wants to do. Don't like that we don't have a top wick here, so if we don't break this low, we come back up. Yeah, I want to see how we play in this range. London lows 28982. 28982. Okay, so down here somewhere. All right. Oh, nice. Yeah, got you. I got you. Test these London lows, and then you think maybe push back up. All right. I like it. Yeah, man, gold in and out of gold, man, in and out. But if you have, like I said, if you have a very good entry on gold, then you can hold. Do you know what I'm saying? You can hold. But as a scalper, I don't think I'm in trades on stream longer than an hour. Sometimes not even a half hour. But let's see. I'm curious to see if we respect this low, if we flip back up and push. But again, we need a top wick up here. So I closed gold on negative. Ah, sorry, man. Sorry. A good entry happened when Benny called that inverted head and shoulders. Yes. So the neckline would have been, I did draw it out. So neckline was, it was kind of like, it was very slanted. It was very slanted, but it could have been like a retest here. Like this would have been you're right, like a decent entry if you got in off the retest. That was a nice move. Listen, I don't blame you with golds. Can you put on the line chart? Of course. Shoulder, little head. It's easier to see it there. Yeah, 100%. It was a real nice nice move. And on the 1 hour too. It looked better on the 1 hour than the 30-minute. Yeah, it was nice. It was nice. Oh, look at gold. Still holding above this 30-minute low. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you for joining. If you're not in the Discord, jump in the Discord. Let me know how your trades play out. I would love to know how your trades end. If not, then I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Same time. We have a very light news week, so let's see what happens. Let's see if we get the nice moves. Oh, US proposed temporary waiver on Iran oil sanctions. Oh, maybe that's why we started to push up. That was 2 hours ago. That might have been the start of the push. That makes sense. Interesting. Alright, guys, peace out. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your sessions, and I hope you catch some pips. Peace out. Hanky banky. It's on its way, innit? Goes on its way. Oh, broke those lows. Peace.